guys, it's me Fiona here, and today I'm with my best friend
Emily.
And today lab experiment together. So let's just go. Let's watch this round. So
Yeah, we missed it, didn't we? We just got it.
Well, there's a noob. I don't know. Noob to this game.
I'm gonna change the characters.
Oh, there's a zombie.
Oh my god.
Wait, why is there a kitty cat?
Because you can change it in your cat. It was like one person will change it into cat.
Yeah, I know.
How
I've played
do
it.
you how do you like it? Great.
You don't have any.
How do I get credit?
You go into crates. Oh, Mama doesn't know how to play the game, bro.
Yeah, because I
Look! You press on that, but you don't have enough.
Oh.
You're one level above me, though.
You can't see me, okay?
No. Oh, good. Wait, what the hell happened? Oh no, it went. Oh god. No, it doesn't matter. Hello. It's my hair. You just got wrecked. No, his face. His face is my head. Okay, lol. Let's stop.
Okay, that was amazing.
Well,
I'm saying that one, right?
Oh god. No, run, rabbit, run, no. Oh god, that's a bit hard for you, isn't it? That's a bit hard for them, though. God, no. They're gonna die. No. Flipped.
I'm gonna spectate. Oh, it's cardboard now. Oh, what are you expecting? Oh, I'm expecting that now. I'm expecting the same one.
Yeah, it's like really annoying. They're just moving that. I really broke my arm. I literally just broke my arm. Okay, well, this looks weird. One point we become this guy. He's creepy. I'm trying
You
to.
have a cut the skin, that's cool.
What? Who?
Cut the skins.
Huh?
You have cut the disco skins.
Yeah, because that's what happened to them in the lab experiment.
Yeah.
Why, what the hell? Did the other person die or something?
Yeah. Why is there's nothing?
He's over there. Oh. Yeah. Oh
We died. Get one.
no. Oh,
One.
they died.
Hold on. Okay, so we're spectating now.
They stopped spectating then. Let's go into the door.
Get ready, get ready.
Here.
Hey, I got black one.
I got pink.
Oh,
No, you got different. I got grid. You got. Oh wait, I have a yellow one of those.
no, look at my colour. Look at my one part screen.
Yeah, they're brown.
No.
Yeah,
Orange brown.
they are brown. They're brown. That's brown. That's complete brown, bro.
Look at that. It's black.
Well, I have pink. I don't have any black trials because they're boring. Well, I do, but I don't want to use them because they're boring. Wait, 10 seconds! Oh my god, this is so... Bleh. Oh, Fate, I'm not telling you.
Oh my god.
Wait, we haven't got teleported. Oh my god, no.
What is this?
Bruh. What is this?
Oh, we're getting trees now. Pick those ones.
One plate will shrink infinity.
Pick trees, Phoebe. Pick those ones.
Someone just got, like, shrunk.
Pick
No! Don't give me ink.
Hello.
Wait, what? Oh.
Jumping.
Okay, well.
Oh, look at that, man. Oh, someone's trying to
Then.
jump. Sorry. Well, I'm sure it's
Weep, 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 weep. No, if you stay on the tree, then you'll be safe. You'll be safe. Yeah, me too. Oh no, 2 plates will be given a crying cloud. No, I don't like those. No, I got given it. For God's sake. I'm moving. Hello. Hello. Why me? Wait, what does it even do? Well, that's the worst thing. Wait, what if it goes to my tree?
And it doesn't give you space. You get a little bit of space. So if you fall, that's all.
Why does I have to be high up? Otherwise I would. I'm lucky. Gonna go soon. It does go away, doesn't it? No, mine's not lowering.
Lowering now, look.
No, don't be me.
Look at him.
No.
Look, it's halfway now. Oh, you can go to this now. It's bigger. It's got a big tree. Oh, no, it's still in the tree.
Wait, I can actually go to their place. Boom! Shakalaka raka maka waka choo. Yeah, yeah. Why do I have the thing?
One plate will be good at a crime.
Oh, goodness. What if it's you? No. Oh my god, he's inside of it. Ha, look, he's inside of it. He's actually inside of the crime. Crying. I'm going to poop. No, I've had about 5 people on mine. Can I go to another person's? You can actually go to. You're done.
Just jump.
No.
It's
Yeah, I know, but like, I'm gonna die. I don't want to die.
Just do it, okay? Just do it for me, please.
Woo! I nearly died again. And then no, actually, I was on that climbing bit. Where? It doesn't matter. It's just a gliding cloud. I do. I can go inside of it. Look. I'm inside of it. Oh no. Oh goodness. See. 2 plates will get a forest fire. Well. Yeah, they're down there. 3 plates will get to the sea. Not me.
I'm always saying that. I never happened to me yet.
Yeah, same. Just crying around.
What? Look, he's that crying down. Look, he's crying. Look at me. What's that?
How?
Just say him. You watch my crying. Hi. Is that what you're going to say? So please, we come down and case.
The hops. Oh no. I'm just gonna be like dancing. Oh no. Oh no. I have to jump like all the time now.
Oh my god, look at his head.
Oh no. I just jumped without pressing the button. Oop. See, I'm not pressing the button. Now I can just hop like all the time. Look. No. Hey boy, lunch, boss. Throw everyone.
What's happening?
No, you have to fight.
Oh, no, just fight. Oh, him.
Oh, I was shooting everyone else. Lol.
My gun doesn't work.
My gun doesn't work either.
My gun doesn't work.
What the hell is happening? No, I'm getting inked.
It's me.
No idea, like what the hell?
It's not. Oh my god.
Why are we getting attacked by the deer?
My gun doesn't work.
My gun
I'm
does.
right next to it. That's bad.
Yeah, same. No, I'm like literally closest to it then.
Oh.
Like what the hell?
Oh my god. There's my middle of us too.
There's 5. Oh yeah, we're in the same amount, probably at the same. Why am I jumping all the time now?
My screen's frozen.
No, I just got knocked off.
My screen's frozen.
It says, "Hey, IPV died too young." Lol. Rejoin. Like, close it down. Well, Ami has to rejoin then. Come on, the game. Become a sheet of ice. Wow. Wow. Wow, I thought I was gonna win then, because I didn't. If I was paying attention, then I didn't actually know. Yours on my plate!
Okay, I'm throwing in for these two.
Wait, I don't think that is actually my plate. My plate was over there.
Your plate's okay, man.
Okay, so we're gonna pause here and we're going to go into another game.
Yes.
Hope you enjoyed this game. That was really annoying though.
Yeah.
So
Nice.
see you in a minute. See you in a minute. Hey! No! It's just like really bright though. Bruh, we're playing this game neon. I have no idea. Let's just search neon.
Yes, but I just searched up the category.
Yeah, the category.
And then it just
For
comes up
God's
with me.
sake, you idiot.
Just wear neons.
Why do it have to be so much?
Because the game is smaller. The game is smaller.
Oh, you have to play different server.
No.
Oh God, no.
What are you joking?
No. Because it will probably be full again. Okay, hats.
No, what you
Huh?
used before?
It still can be full because it's designed.
I
Neon.
had to
This
find
neon.
it. I just want the game.
Neon. Let's search up neon though. Bro, that's not very neon, is it?
What's the name? Rainbow.
Rainbow is not neon. Just
No,
literally.
why you had rainbow?
That's neon. It's hot, bright color. Bright colors.
Oh.
Bright
Water
colors.
park? What is water park? Oh, so. You waste my time for tomorrow. Okay, I'll play some water park out. Okay.
Now this looks so ugly, bro. Bruh. Trying to hold my breath. This is so green. Stay. Do. Yeah, this looks really ugly. But hey. Where's the faces? Yeah, let go. I've got Rango.
That's a cute
Lord,
thing.
no! That is so scary. That looks really weird. Look at that. Look at that. She looks like an idiot. I'm neon. I look like the worst neon person ever. Oh, this feels so weird playing on a camera. Oh, I like this animation.
Look at me, 3D.
You can't get that.
Oh. What do you want?
Minus 40.
I just have something for your hair. That's nice.
Yeah, I see. No, you have to get different. You have to get a different body.
Body. Face.
I got any face. Look at me. Random.
Design. I see this too. What about sun hat? What's sun hat?
Let's see if I win and then I'll
You've
try.
never got a sun hat. I've never got a sun hat.
Market.
This is only cheapest
Blue
face ever.
stars.
This is only cheapest face.
Cool. Wait, what effects do I have? No idea. I only have 1 minute left. Come on. Okay. This is gonna be the only round we're gonna. So we're gonna.
I've got a nice little question. I do want a crop top.
Oh no, there's a boy next to you.
I do want a crop top one, you know.
Yeah, those bra ones, those things. Oh no, someone online dating. No, online date. No, never. Oh my god, there's someone on stage already. Bro, what the hell? Oh no, I'm getting stuck. Click to emoji. I didn't do anything.